Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair a Kia Rio engine control unit. We'll cover identifying common issues, understanding the necessary tools, and performing initial diagnostic steps. This guide aims to help you confidently approach ECU repair, saving you time and money. We will walk through each stage, from pinpointing the problem to ensuring a successful fix, making the process clear and manageable for everyone. Accurate diagnosis is the first critical step in ECU repair. Begin by scanning for diagnostic trouble codes, which provide valuable clues. Next, visually inspect all wiring harnesses and connectors leading to and from the ECU for corrosion or breaks. Finally, use a multimeter to perform voltage and ground checks at the ECU's power supply pins, ensuring it receives proper electrical input. Many ECU problems stem from common component failures. Often, replacing faulty capacitors or resistors on the circuit board can resolve issues. Another frequent repair involves reflowing cold solder joints, which can cause intermittent connections. A heat gun or soldering iron can be used carefully. For software-related problems, specialized reprogramming tools are necessary to restore the ECU's proper function. After completing repairs, thorough testing is essential. Use a multimeter to verify continuity and resistance across repaired circuits. Once confirmed, carefully reinstall the ECU into its housing and securely reconnect the vehicle's battery terminals. Finally, use a diagnostic scanner to clear any remaining trouble codes, ensuring the system recognizes the repaired unit and operates without error.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.